On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing guys, open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 9 seconds and disable it after 9 seconds exactly, and then go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, it will take you to this page where you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone, and then scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it like this, and then what you want to do next is click on the storage option, click on clear data, clear cache, go back and then click on this power usage details, click on app launch and make sure that these options are enabled, click OK, go back again, click on open by default, click on open supported links in this app, choose always allow, and the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store and update your Snapchat right there, and then turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.